This is a 2006 Honda Civic EX. It has a galaxy gray metallic exterior and a gray interior with the EX trim level. It has a fuel-efficient 4-cylinder 1.8-liter engine with 140 horsepower that gets 40 MPG Highway and 30 MPG in the city. This was a one-owner, local trade, and a non-smoker vehicle. Features include a CARFAX, head airbag, 5-speed automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, MP3 player, sunroof, and a remote trunk release. Excellent safety for you with a 4-wheel disc brakes, 4-wheel ABS, a 5-star driver front crash rating, and a 5-star passenger front crash rating.